Solve polynomial inequalities graphically. The question here is solve 2 times x plus 3 cubed times x plus 1 square times x minus 4 greater than 0. Now you can time the solution. How much time it takes to solve such a question? And I'll give you the fastest way of solving this in slow motion, right? Now the first step is find zeros. So let's check for our zeros. These are 3 factors and one of them or all of them could be 0. So let's find when are they 0. So this one is x plus 3 equals to 0 gives us x equals to minus 3. So that is our first 0 at minus 3. Order of the 0 is 3. The next one is x plus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus 1. And the last one is x minus 4 equals to 0, which gives us 0 at x equals to 4. So we have got 3 zeros. Now let's graph the function, right? So let's graph the function. I'm drawing a number line which goes from minus infinity to plus infinity with these zeros. See, we have inequality where zeros are not included. So we'll just put holes here, minus 3, minus 1. Don't bother about the scale, right? We just need intervals when the function is greater than 0. That is it. Now you need to sketch the function. What is the degree of function? Write on the degree. It helps to sketch. Degree is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6. That means degree is even. And what is leading coefficient? Leading coefficient. Leading coefficient, you don't have to find the value. Well, in any case, this is 1 times 1 times 1 times 2. It is plus, right? So plus is enough. So in case you have a function whose leading coefficient is positive and is even degree, that means right side is up and both are up, right? That is what it is. Now what you need to do is you need to check order of your zeros, right? So we'll check order of zeros. So this minus 3 is order 3, so that means this is cubic. So here it will be kind of like this. Do you see? Minus 1 is order 2, so we are going from here going down, so we are down below. So it is order 2, so it will like turn there since it is order 2, right? So I can show it like a turn here. Starting from there, I have kind of this. And then this is a linear 0. It has to cross as a straight line. So now what we will do is join them. So if you join them, you get your function or graph of the function. This is what you learn in polynomials, correct? So we have this function here as kind of like this, and there it goes. So once you sketch the function, you know the answer. Answer is greater than 0. Means you're looking for these regions. Do you see that? And now you can write down your answer. So the answer is, let me write down the answer right here. So the answer is, for this inequality to be true, the answer is from minus infinity to minus 3 or from 4 to infinity, right? 4 to infinity. That is our answer. Good idea here is, let me write that in red here, is good idea to test your answer, okay? Test. Since it is a part of test, you don't want to lose marks, right? So take a point somewhere in between. 0 is a good point. Let's say 0. Is 0 a part of solution? It is not a part of solution for you. That means if you plug in 0 here, you should get a negative number. Only negative number is not greater than 0. So 0 will give you something positive, 0 will give you something positive, 0 will give you something negative. Negative times positive is negative, and so yes, it is not part of solution. You got it. Now take a test point here, let it be 5. If I write 5, then this will give me positive, this will give me positive, this will also give me positive. 3 positives will give me positive, so that is part of solution, correct. So I have checked my answer and that is fine. So this is the perfect answer to the given question. Steps involved, let's recap, are simple. Step number 1, find zeros. Step number 2, sketch your graph. Step number 3, write your answer. Step number 4, don't forget, very important, check your answer with a test point. Once you've done all this, you can move on to the next question. Thank you.